guys, women are very tricky to deal with. They will say something and do something totally opposite. This has sparked the statement that women do not know what they want. So if you want a lasting relationship with any girl, do not take what she said she wants. Make your decisions and stand by it. This will make them feel more secured around you. We have compiled 6 boundaries you need to set around yourself in order to attract more respect and value to yourself. These boundaries will in fact make women respect you more. Most women would counter these things, but do not listen. Remember, they do not know what they want and does not know most times. These actions makes them get attracted to a guy. So these are the boundaries you need to set around yourself if you want to be respected and valued. Number 1, unpredictable communication. Women are naturally creatures that want to talk all the time. Once they are in love with you or very attracted to you, they can go on and on, texting and calling you. But do not fall for this. You have to set boundaries for her from the beginning, that you are a busy person and as such won't be there to reply to her texts immediately or get on a phone call with her for 30 minutes. Set a communication plan with her from the beginning. If you start to pull back after flowing with her call pattern, she'll feel you are manipulating her. So set the rules from the start and make her understand you won't be available for calls and texts at all times. If it's a girl you've just met, suggest seeing her in person to get to know her more instead of becoming her texting buddy. Women will want to text you all day or talk to you frequently over the phone when they are attracted to you. But what this does is that it lowers her attraction for you. Women get bored easily, so she'll get bored because her instincts will at some point tell her you are always there. This will make her seek the validation of a guy whose time is scarce. Number 2, make direct plans. From the moment you approach a girl or seek to know her, she knows what you want from her. So, don't beat around the bush. Go straight and tell her what you want from her. What most guys do is that they'll request her phone number, then keep talking and texting over the phone without expressing their intention. Don't be that guy. If she gives you her number, set a date immediately. If she disagrees, you thank your stars. You did not waste your time because it means she's not attracted to you. If she agrees, fine, it saves you lots of stress and time. Set a date. See her in person to know her better. Don't be that guy who will be giving her free attention without making plans. She won't respect you. This should not be a strategy, but your time should be naturally scarce. Be busy. Spend your time to build yourself, your finances, and your purpose. Your time should be naturally scarce. Make her understand you have a very busy schedule and would prefer seeing her in person instead of texting. Every now and then, she'll respect you and value your time more. This will communicate to her instincts that you are a high-value man. So, when next you get the number of a girl, do not waste any time. Set the date. Number 3, don't take her drama. Women naturally love to cause chaos and drama around a guy at some point. Don't be that guy who accepts drama from any girl. Make it clear to her that all you want is peace and will not appreciate her bringing drama into your life. Make it clear to her the behavior you won't accept from her. And when the drama eventually comes, tell her to use the door if she was in your house, unless she is ready to cooperate. If you are in a public space, walk away. With this, she knows that whenever she is not cooperative or in her drama mode, you won't be there to take or digest it. This will make her respect you more and feel safe around you. Your calm nature, in the midst of her drama, communicates that you are very stoic and emotionally very strong. Don't be that guy who will be all over the place, arguing and trading words with her. That is the fastest way. A woman will lose respect for you. Instead, be calm. Act like it doesn't bother you. And when it continues, you need to leave her presence. Number 4. Punish the behaviors you won't accept and reward the good behaviors. Guys, once you are going out with a girl, expressly tell her the behaviors you don't accept and how you want her to behave. If she crosses her boundary and shows a behavior you don't accept, remove all attention from her. Women love attention and will be helpless once you take away all your attention from her. As a result of her actions, this will make her sit up and act according to the way you want. It should be your way or no way. And when she does something admirable, ensure you reward such behaviors. When she goes out of her way to become cooperative and extremely loyal, reward such behaviors sometimes. This will make her want to be in such good behavior, knowing there is a reward that comes with it. This will make her more loyal and extremely cooperative. And whenever she comes with a behavior you've warned her about, remove all your attention completely until she realizes her mistake and acts according to how you want. Number 5. Never trade your purpose for pleasure. As a man, what gives you value and makes you stand out is your purpose. Whatever you do, your purpose should come first. And whatever will make your purpose suffer does not deserve to be in your life. Your purpose should be the reason for your existence and the source of your power and strength as a man. Don't trade it for any girl or relationship. What most guys do is to use their purpose as a strategy to get a girl. Before getting that girl, they work so hard, concentrate and make lots of money, hoping the girl will love them. When they finally get the girl, they become complacent. They don't work as hard anymore. They let their purpose go because they've gotten the girl. Don't be that guy. Your purpose should be natural and a huge part of your life. Don't substitute it for anything. Any girl that does not want you to work hard or complains that you work too much does not deserve to be in your life. And if you listen to her and let go of your purpose, she'll still leave you because that's what made her fall in love with you. She got attracted to you because you were driven and worked hard. If she is now a distraction and wants you to choose between her and your purpose, let her go because she'll still leave. If you let your purpose go, don't trade your purpose for anything or pleasure. Number 6. Don't let other guys disrespect you. Any woman who sees that other men don't have respect for you will easily lose attraction and respect for you. Do not be that weak guy. Anybody on the street wants to try, go to the gym, build your body, put on some muscles so you'll appear masculine and fierce to other guys. This will make other guys respect you and not want to try you because you've created a masculine and dominant frame outside. When walking, walk with confidence. Walk with your head up and shoulders high, like you own the street. This will make other guys not disrespect you or disrespect your girl in your presence. If not, you'll lose your girl once she knows you can be intimidated or tried by other guys without consequences. Women always want that guy. Other men want to be like. That is the man you need to be to make women respect and chase you. Do not let other guys cross your boundaries or disrespect you without consequence. These are the boundaries you need to set internally and externally that will make any girl chase you. I hope you learned something new today. See you next time.